Good evening, union siblings. We're coming to you from our third bargaining session with SFUSD management. Tonight, the district dragged their feet. SFUSD representatives did not offer any proposals of their own, nor did they offer any additional response on the 20 proposals that seek to stabilize our schools, improve educator pay, fully staff schools, and address dignified learning and working conditions. In our last negotiation session 3 weeks ago, UESF passed our highest priorities: a workload model, fully paid health benefits for those with dependents, and a raise for all educators. District management was unable to respond despite having 3 weeks between sessions. This was an insult to the time and effort of our bargaining team, as well as the families and students we serve. We are living through instability caused by decades of mismanagement. Our 5 proposals focus on service for our students, paraeducators, and T10 workdays, demanding an end to unsupported advisory and combination classes, clarification of classification for head counselors, deans, and school counselors, and a solution for the unmanageable caseloads and class sizes that are driving people from our district. Our paraeducators are essential to all of our successes. Our classroom paraeducators deserve a 7-hour workday. This will allow them to plan with the teachers they work with to ensure better outcomes for our students with IEPs. We want to acknowledge the reality that right now, almost 200 of our union members are dealing with the pain and of uncertainty of whether or not they will have a job next fall. We have proposed no layoffs while there are vacancies. SFUSD needs to hear loud and clear that we are committed to putting an end to mismanagement that's causing instability in our schools. From April 21st to the 25th, at 83 sites across the district, join your fellow educators for informational pickets to make our voices heard and connect with our students and families. The pickets are our chance to make sure they understand our commitment to winning our priorities and demanding stability for our schools. Alone, we can do so little, but together we can do so much. See you out there on the line next week.
That's right. And when we fight,
we win!